What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here from freedomwithgarrett.com, and inside of this quick video I wanted to just shoot you an answer to a question that I get a lot of times. A lot of people, they reach out, they're working with me, and they're not sure what they need to do to increase their sales or to get more signups online, right? Or to really build that online business to the level they want. And I want to share with you, after 3 years of being online, one of the big things you can start doing and realizing as you watch this short video. Okay, now the first thing you need to understand is that you have to be building some form of following. Okay, you got to be building a list. Now, I'm sure you've heard this a lot, build a list, build a list. What exactly does that mean, and why should you build a list? That's what I want to cover in this video. And again, feel free at any time. I'm going to drop a link below to more free training, my 5-part series on how to grow a massive online business. So feel free to check that out at any time. But what you have to understand is you want to build a following. See, one of the biggest reasons is, the reason that I get a lot of people joining me on a daily basis, reaching out, is simply more people see me, right? I just have more visibility. I'm out there more. And what you have to understand is if no one's seeing you, right? If you're only getting a few people seeing you, or you're not building a following, maybe you're sharing Instagram pictures or, YouTube videos or Facebook posts, and you don't have many followers, that's really a big reason you're not having the amount of leads and success you want, right? Now, you want to focus on building a following. And you may say, well, what's the best site to build one on? Should I do Facebook? Should I do Craigslist? All the different things out there, right? LinkedIn. And what you have to understand is there's not really a favorite one. I actually want to pose a question to you today, and that is, which one do you enjoy, right? What are you naturally good at? Maybe you're really good at talking to people. You enjoy being social. You're more extroverted. Well, Facebook could be a good one for you, right? Maybe you're more into taking pictures. Maybe your passion is photography, right? And you take really good pictures. Well, Instagram would probably be for you. For me, I'm becoming an actor. Actually, I've been acting for a while now, and I'm getting back into it, going on auditions, stuff like that for movies. And so I always love being in front of the camera, right? So that's why I naturally gravitated towards YouTube. It played to my strengths. And that's what you want to think about. What are you naturally good at? Don't try to go upstream. Don't try to fight it. What are you naturally good at? And then you want to get on that site and make a decision. Even while you're watching this video, listening to the sound of my voice, make a commitment and a decision, right? Say, I'm going to master this website. I'm going to build a following of people, and I'm going to share posts daily. You want to do it daily. So that's really a huge piece. A lot of people, like I said, and I struggled with this when I first got started in the industry about 2014, 2015. I wasn't building a following. It was like the churn and burn. I would kind of post, and I wasn't really wondering, why am I failing? Why aren't people reaching out? Why aren't people, checking the link out below my YouTube videos and signing up on autopilot? Why wasn't that happening for me? And I simply realized there wasn't enough people seeing me. So if you want to build a online business, if you want to succeed, if you want to get more leads and sales, be out there, right? Be more visible, share more content, start building a following, and you're going to realize that your sales, your leads, all of it is going to start to really, really increase, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my thought of the day. It's beautiful here. Actually, if you've been following, I moved back to Texas recently, Houston, Texas. I was in Colorado for a while. It was beautiful, but it was just too cold for me. And this is more warmer, and I'll be sharing more of my lifestyle traveling here soon. So be sure to subscribe, like the video if you liked it. Leave me a comment. What do you want me to address in my next videos, right? I'm going to be posting these almost daily. And last but not least, if you want that free training, my 5-part mini series on how you can really create up to $1,000 a day online, click the link below in the description and check that out. And I really think you're going to like it. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.